This is how Etica has grown over the last 7 quarters. And guys, you will have to forgive me if something is good. I will keep talking about it, and I will also tell you, in my opinion, why Etica is undoubtedly the fastest growing money market fund in the country. And please note that the following data includes the money market fund and the fixed income fund, plus the Sharia fund, which is a unique Sharia compliant product designed for the Muslim brothers and sisters. So by the end of Q1 2023, Etica had 5.306 million, guys. 5 million, please don't mix that. If that's not humble beginnings, wait till we reach the top. Maybe it will make some sense. All clients combined are just given them 5 million bob. Then the magic happened, and by the end of the second quarter the same year, the funds under management grew by 921.1%, rising from 5.3 million to 54.18 million. And for the first time, I actually said, wow. Then came Q3 of the same year, and yet again it grew from 54.1 million to 131.196 million, which was a total growth of 142%. And I think this is the part where most of you who are clients already started testing waters, and at that time others were like, there is no way, I can't try this, atitutaoshwa. And as the quarter went along, more and more started experiencing a different kind of service, which came with a 24/7 available customer care, reachable through WhatsApp, and very responsive. Then talk of the convenience and reliability that came with both the online portal and the apps, both on Android and Apple, and the fact that they made it very easy for both local and diaspora clients to open an account and to monitor daily growth in the invested balances they had. Instant withdrawals to M-Pesa in case of an emergency, and prompt withdrawals to the bank, most of which delivers within the same day, and at most between 48 hours. Hata kama ni wewe, si unaongeza. Again, for the 4th consecutive time, there was 110% growth, whereby the fund grew from 131 million to 275.536 million, and that was past the $250 million mark. At this point, most of you started coming on board, especially with the New Year resolution that time, to save, to take charge of your finances, and to make a difference, especially in the new year. And then yet again, 273% growth happened as at the end of Q1 2024, whereby the fund will grow now from 275 million all the way to passing the billion shilling mark, stopping at 1.027 billion. More and more people knew and trusted Etica at this point, and by remaining competitive, reliable, convenient, simple to use, the indicators were still flashing green, meaning fasten your seatbelt, because boy oh boy, if you thought you, by crossing the 1 billion mark, that could make them sit down and become complacent, then you are not ready for what happened next, because here came Q2 of 2024, and that was just at the end of June this year. From 1.027 billion, Etica grew to 2.56 billion, which was yet again another 149% growth. That's the 6th time in a row, my friends. Did the values change? No. Did the efficiency change? No. Did the availability on WhatsApp, email, and calls change? No. Did the reliability change? No. Did the growth make them complacent? No. Did the growth slow down the systems to make it terrible to access? No. As soon as I start doing interviews, I will have to interview someone from there to understand exactly how they do keep up with the growing pressure and the challenge of a fast growing company. And now, last but not least, from the just released results of Q3 2024, which is as at the end of September, growth happened yet again for the 7th consecutive time. And this time, it grew from 2.56 billion all the way to 4.603 billion in just 3 months. That is a growth of over 2 billion. I think now you understand what I meant when I started at 5 million total assets under management, and now in 3 months they grow by over 2 billion. I have a feeling that by the end of Q4 this year, we're definitely going to see things again, another big growth. Do you know what makes me happy? it's not that Etica is just winning because after all sio ya mama yangu, but it's because finally there's a reliable platform that has made it easy to save and invest, and it puts the client at the center of its operations. Hebu uliza hapa hivi nje vile watu wanachapwa migraines just to know if their deposit even got to the account when they did a deposit, or just to know the balances in their money market funds. Ama ukienda ku withdraw unaambiwa you have to wait 6 working days, or you have a portal that hata client service mwenyewe ama agent mwenye anakuuzia does not even know how to maneuver properly through that portal. Too complicated. I think Etica has set the bar. I do hope that they watch this video and keep it up. Hopefully the rest wata follow suit. Now if you have another company na ku stress or huna MMF account kabisa, whether you are in Kenya or ama away, ingia hapo kwa hiyo bio ama description and get the link to open your account instantly, ama install app kwa Android yako ama iPhone, and during sign up kuna hiyo place ya introducer, sema utachi ama MoneyVersations, perhaps watanipea za cabbage, thanks to the noise that some of you made last time hiyo video ingine. And for those of us who already have accounts, how has your experience been like? Able to pay feedback so that mwenye ana search kwa hizo ma comments apate some information here and there. Even as we get ready for the new year to set new milestones, it's not about this or that company. Cha muhimu ni you get ahead with peace of mind. Let's win in our own accounts. Personal, more and more in 2025. Small steps, big moves. See you in the next video.